Hey everyone, welcome back to Penguin Profits. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a super cool way you can start making money online using AI-generated YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are these short-form vertical videos that are less than 60 seconds long. They've exploded in popularity over the last year as YouTube has really started pushing them as the next big thing on the platform. And one of the best parts about Shorts is that you don't need any fancy equipment or editing skills to make them. In fact, there are now a bunch of AI tools that can help you instantly create professional-looking shorts just by entering some basic prompts. What AI-generated shorts are? The benefits of using AI tools to create shorts. Step-by-step, how to make money with AI shorts. Tips for optimizing your AI shorts. So if you're looking for a quick, easy way to start making money online with YouTube, make sure to watch this video to the end. If you're not familiar, AI-generated YouTube Shorts are shorts that are created using artificial intelligence tools and platforms. Instead of manually scripting, filming, and editing your shorts, these AI tools allow you to instantly generate high-quality shorts just by entering a few prompts. Some of the most popular AI tools for making shorts include Vidnami, InVideo, Biteable, Capwing. These tools use advanced AI algorithms to take your prompts and automatically generate videos with stock footage, images, text overlays, professional voiceovers, and music. So all you need to do is come up with a basic script outline, enter it into the AI tool, and it'll output a well-edited, polished short for you within minutes. The best part is these AI tools can create shorts covering just about any topic or niche. Whether it's gaming, cooking, fashion, business, you name it, the AI can make it. And since shorts are vertical videos designed specifically for mobile, they tend to perform incredibly well and get lots of views. In fact, it's not uncommon for viral AI shorts to get millions of views and drive huge amounts of traffic back to your channel and website. So by tapping into AI tools to instantly create all your shorts content, you can grow a massive audience and make serious cash. There are a ton of benefits to using AI tools to create your YouTube shorts. Here are some of the biggest advantages. The #1 benefit of AI shorts is that they save you an enormous amount of time compared to making videos manually. Instead of having to script, storyboard, film, and edit each short, AI tools let you produce them in minutes. This allows you to scale up and create way more videos and content than if you were making them all yourself. More videos equals more opportunities to get traffic, views, and subscribers. Another big advantage of AI shorts is that they look and sound very high quality, polished, and professional. The AI uses data to generate videos with popular video and editing styles that perform well on YouTube and social media. This makes it much easier for your shorts to go viral since they'll look like other top trending videos. You also don't need any fancy equipment, editing skills, or previous video experience to make amazing shorts with AI tools. The AI takes care of all the hard work for you. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection to start pumping out awesome shorts. This makes video creation accessible to anyone. If you can come up with an idea, the AI can turn it into a video. Finally, AI tools allow you to quickly test different niches and video ideas without much effort. If one niche isn't working out, you can instantly pivot to creating shorts around a different topic. This flexibility makes it easy to find profitable niches and capitalize on trending topics and viral content ideas. Overall, AI-generated shorts provide a fantastic, low-effort way to grow your channel and make money. Alright, now that you know the basics of AI shorts, let's talk about how to actually make money with them. There are several profitable business models you can pursue. The best way to make money from AI shorts is to monetize through the YouTube Partner Program. With their high views, small channels can earn 5–10 cents per 1,000 views. Upload daily evergreen shorts for consistent income. Focus on long-term topics, not just viral fads. Affiliate marketing is another great monetization approach. Create shorts showcasing or reviewing products and include your affiliate links. When viewers purchase through your links, you earn commissions. Feature useful products and highlight their benefits to boost conversions. Promote physical, digital, and online course products. As your channel grows, you can pursue lucrative brand sponsorships. Companies will pay a few hundred to thousands of dollars for you to feature their products in your shorts. With AI creation tools, you can easily produce sponsored shorts at scale. Top YouTubers earn up to $10,000 per branded short. Finally, you can make money selling merchandise related to your brand and shorts. You can use print-on-demand services to create t-shirts, hats, mugs, and other merch designs featuring your brand name, channel logo, or popular characters and assets from your shorts. Promote this merch in your shorts and descriptions. Fans will happily pay $15 to $25 to rep your brand if you have good designs. This is almost 100% profit, since you only pay your merchandise provider when an order comes through. Sponsors are also more likely to work with channels pushing merch. Here are some tips to help optimize your AI-generated shorts so they attract maximum views, engagement, and make the most money. Check Google Trends and YouTube's trending feeds to see what topics and keywords are hot right now. Creating shorts around trends will help them go viral. Use YouTube's search bar and filtering to find top-performing shorts in your niche. See what creators and formats are working well and model their success. Clickbait, thumbnails with shocking or exaggerated expressions and text boost clicks. Use AI tools like FaceApp to make custom clickbait graphics. Add a prominent subscribe call to action during your short with text animations or voiceover, asking viewers to subscribe to your channel. End screens with subscribe buttons, links to other videos, and playlists help retention and views. AI tools can automatically add customizable end screens. Adding timed chapter title markers makes your shorts more searchable and clickable when people are quickly skimming the timeline. Pin hilarious, insightful, and provocative comments to the top of your shorts to help them spread more via replies and engagement. Share your shorts on all your social media platforms, embed them on your website, and submit them to aggregators to maximize reach. Use YouTube analytics to see which shorts are performing best. Make more content around topics and formats, driving the most views, likes, and comments. Follow these tips, and you'll be well on your way to YouTube Shorts success. So if you like to learn more about making money online using AI-generated YouTube Short, then check out this video. AI-generated YouTube Shorts provide an easy way to create viral content and make money online. By following the tips in this video, you can grow your channel fast. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Penguin Profits.